Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make Christmas cake fully loaded with nuts and fruits. So in order to get this right, watch my video carefully till the end. I've taken 80 grams of chopped cashew nuts, 80 grams of chopped apricots, 80 grams of chopped walnuts, 80 grams of chopped dates. Raisin I've taken 100 grams, and tutti frutti, which is green and red, I've taken 100 grams. Orange zest I've taken 1 tablespoon. This orange zest gives you a better flavor, so don't miss this out. Now in order to soak, I've taken apple wine, which is sweet wine, 1 cup, and also I've taken rum, which is 1 cup and 3/4. This fruit and nuts should immerse in wine properly. I'm going to keep this for 2 days, but minimum you have to keep at least for 1 day. Check this. So after 2 days of soaking, just give a mix. Now I'm going to strain this. One thing you keep in mind, the liquor which is there, do not discard it. So in order to make caramel, I've taken 100 grams of sugar. Put 2 tablespoons of water in that and keep it on a medium flame. Do not use any spoon or ladle in that. It will get caramelized. Look at the color. This is how caramel is been made. Once it start to bubble, check this out. This is already ready. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and add that liquor in that. Slowly. 1 tablespoon at a time. As when it is on the flame, it is with high temperature and it start to bubble, it start to come up. So if you try to add it at a time, it might have chances of coming it up. Now let's do the mixing. In order to do that, I have taken nutralite, which is 150 grams, and butter 100 grams. It has to be soft. 150 grams of brown sugar. Now this gives you a better color. So by using a whisk manually or electric, beat this till it becomes fluffy. Check this mixture. With the help of a rubber spatula, keep everything together. Check this out. This is how the mixture should be. Now this is ready. Take 4 eggs in a separate bowl and with the same whisk, beat it. Now if you don't have an electric whisk, doesn't matter, you can use a hand one and can do it manually. Beat it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Check the mixture, guys. Now I'm going to add this to the butter and sugar. But slowly, don't mix it at a time. Guys, check out this mixture. This is how it should be. Now in a bowl, add sieve flour. I've taken 300 grams. Maida. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this. Now add the mixture in that and fold it.
Wishing our YouTube family a blessed Christmas and Happy New Year. Please do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Add fruit and nuts in that and give it a mix. Look at this batter, guys. Look at the color. And now the main ingredient is to give the batter color is the caramel, which we have made and kept earlier. Add the caramel. and mix. So now our mixture is ready. Meanwhile, what you have to do is you have to keep a mold ready. I've taken 8-inch mold. You have to grease it with butter and flour, dust it with flour. You can do it with butter, or even ghee is another option. Put all the mixture in this. Meanwhile, what you have to do is you have to keep the oven ready at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And once this goes in the oven, you have to keep for 50 to 55 minutes and the cake will be ready. Guys, check this out. You have to leave it outside once it is baked properly. Get it at room temperature. This is how your final product will come. Check this lovely Christmas cake. This is how it should be. Guys, try my recipe and make Christmas cake at home. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.